So we have this 2018 Volkswagen, some misfire codes. We find out that the rocker arms were out. This was causing the misfire. So these are the new ones. We're also going to replace this. And you can do it without taking all this off. Loosen this, the caps. And you have to be really careful. Then you can do what we're doing is one side at a time. But you don't need to remove any of that. You can do it slowly and carefully this way. It is possible. What we're going to replace all of them. I already got this one's out. I still got to do this side. That's pretty much the same thing. Same way. So if you got some misfires in your Volkswagen and you're having the same codes, this is probably most likely the issue right here. These are the new ones. And these are the old ones. Also what I'm using is this to get them out.